Are you ready to escape the 97.9% of failing Shopify stores? Lead Digital is here to lead you to success. We offer the most comprehensive dropshipping store service, tailored to guide you and grow your brand step by step. Leveraging over 10 years of industry experience, we build stores that are renowned worldwide for their conversion rates and style. Our process starts with researching a profitable niche specifically suited to you, ensuring a unique and targeted approach. We handpick trending products with quick delivery options, creating a store that's not just appealing, but also highly functional. So imagine a store that embodies your vision, equipped with a premium theme and a branded logo that resonates with your audience. From SEO optimization to mobile and page speed tuning, every aspect is fine-tuned for maximum conversions and user engagement. With after-sales support and a solid marketing strategy, your journey to a six-figure brand begins. Reach out today for a free store proposal and see why our clients rave about our services on Fiverr.